bros and hams, bros, brew hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft Bed Wars, except this is a voiceover and I'm doing a Q&A. So, let's get to the first question. Alright, the first question is from my Discord server. I asked you guys to ask me some legit questions, and well, the first one was, am I gay? So I'm not gay. I don't have anything against gays. I'm just like not gay myself. Alright, second question. How many hours do you have in game? It's kind of hard to answer that because in like the Xbox version you can just go to like hours played. Java Edition doesn't have that. Now there used to be this thing where you could go on to Hypixel and answer and type in the command my and then the year and it would tell you how many hours you played, but the Hypixel forums like online server is completely wacko tobacco right now, so I can't do that command. But I'd say it's a lot. It's a lot. And I'm not gonna make any excuses like part of them were AFK. Like, it's a lot. Alright, I mean, I played Rocket League for a year and a half and got 1,000 hours. I'm playing Minecraft for like 8 years. So, you can do the math. Alright, how much practice did you put in to get this good? Well, I started playing Bed Wars in beta, which was 2017, I believe. So I've been playing for 3 years. Pretty great. How long have you been playing? Playing Minecraft since 2013 on Java, 2012 on like phone edition, but who does that? And then Bed Wars for 3 years. Are you a Bed Wars YouTuber? Yes. I mean, I played Rocket League too, but you guys don't like to see that, so I'm sticking to Bed Wars. I played some Sky Wars, but yeah. Let's see. How do you click? Jitter, butterfly, etc. So I normal click, and I get like 10 CPS PvPing. So I don't know. If I jitter, it just doesn't jitter well. I can jitter bridge, and I can butterfly click. If I butterfly click, it's normally my right click, and I'll like try to place blocks. And yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so the second amount of questions is from my YouTube video I made yesterday. I said, hey guys, if you guys want to give me some questions, I'll answer them in the Q&A, and you guys did. So, first question is, what's your real name? What's your age? When will there be a face reveal? Do you have social media? When will you start streaming and play with fans? Where are you from? Is Discord counted as social media? Like, gee. Oh my gosh, I didn't know this was 20 questions. Oh my gosh, whatever. Okay, I'll start. Jeez, this is a lot of questions. So what's my real name? It's Aiden. What's your age? I'm just gonna say I'm like under 18. When will be the face reveal? Probably at 2K. Do you have social media? I have Snapchat, but I'm not gonna like give it to you guys. That's weird. When you start streaming and playing with fans? Well, my internet's really bad, so I can't really stream. But I'll play with fans. You know, message me on my Discord. Link down below. Where are you from? I'm from the US. Is Discord sound social media? I would say so. Alright, next question. Setup reveal when? Setup reveal, I can do one soon. That sounds like lit. Alright, Q&A. When will you do a hand cam or something? I don't really have a face cam or like a camera to do a hand cam with. I could do it with my phone, but it's kind of weird, isn't it? Yeah, because it's not through OBS, so I'd have to like sync it up manually, and who does that? So I guess I'll get like a face cam thing soon for a hand cam, but I won't do a face reveal till like 2K. Alright, well that's it for the Q&A. If you, I answered all the questions you guys sent me, so I don't know. There were some questions about my setup, which I will answer in the setup tour whenever I do that. I don't know. My camera needs a SIM card. So when it gets a SIM card, I'll do that, because if I do it use my phone, it looks pretty fuzzy, but yeah, it's bad. So well, you have to wait for that. It'll probably be in like a week or so. But just signing off. Goodbye. If you were wondering about this texture pack, someone made it for me on my 500 subscribers milestone. So yeah, I'll probably do it. I don't want to share it now because it's not technically done. It does look pretty nice, so I'll release it sooner or later. Alright, see you guys. Goodbye.